Hey everybody, so today I'm showing you this natural black 1B color IT hair extensions made with 100% Indian hair, Remy Indian hair. So you can see these are 100-gram piece, so it depends on the client what volume they want. So they can normally install the 100 strands, and some want 50 strands. So both quantity available on our website. You can buy the any number, whether you want 50 pieces or 100 sticks. These are 100. So this can be installed with the help of micro rings. So why to pay more money in the salon? Just buy our authentic hair, go to salon, and they can install it in the nominal charges. So you can buy these beautiful hair extensions from our website and get this beautiful hair to give you the volume.